Hi and welcome back to another review. Today we are looking at a purchase that I did on CNFans.com. So those of you who've been around before will know what CNFans is, but for those of you new, CNFans is an agent site. So basically what you do is you find your products, you make the order, then the items are shipped to the CNFans warehouse. They then take some photos of the items just to make sure they're okay. If you're happy with them, they then post them off to you. With CNFans, what I quite like is actually that you do get the photos beforehand. So if you're not happy with the item, they do replace it. And I've actually done that myself before. Also, with CNFans, I do have a referral link, which I'll leave in the description of this video. What that will do is it'll give you some additional coupons when you sign up, so you can get some money off items or cheaper shipping. Time for delivery from CNFans, it's a bit of a hard one to say, but I would say you make your order, you then probably get your photos probably about 3 or 4 days later. Postage is then, or they pack it up and they tell you what the postage is going to be, again another 3 or 4 days, and then to receive it it's about 10 to 14 days. So all in all, you're probably looking at just over 2 weeks from starting the order to receiving the item. I believe, from memory, I ordered a hoodie. It's meant to be summer here in the UK, but right now it is still very much rainy, so yeah, that's why I went for a hoodie. So it comes in just a standard bag with the usual health warnings on the back. There is also some information down there, which is obviously in Chinese, so it doesn't really mean too much to me, but it is an essentials hoodie. So we'll get it out of the bag and then we'll take a full look. Make sure you do check out the description of this video because that will have all the information for CNFans, and it'll have the referral link and a spreadsheet with all the items that you can purchase. There are other items as well, but these are just one's top picks. Okay, we'll start with the front of the hoodie, and it's a bit hard to see, but obviously I'll show it when it flips it around. This is the hood with the normal collar line. There is like a little gap there where buttons could be, but it's not got buttons on there. The essential Fear of God has been heat pressed on. That feels lovely and smooth actually. It is quite a nice thick hoodie actually, so it will be perfect for the traditional British weather. You have a pocket at the front here, which I believe will go all the way through. Let's just check. Yeah, all the way through, as you can see. Can't get my hand out now without knocking it down. Because it is such a thick hoodie, it is quite, yeah, I'm a bit worried that the coat hanger will fall down during the recording. Looks absolutely lovely. The price on this, I think it would cost me, it's about £15, and then delivery was about a tenner. So £25 for this. Obviously the more items you order, the cheaper it's going to be. I was going to order a few other items, but I'm trying something else out, which you've probably already seen the teaser video of, and I've got some other items, some other products coming. So for this time, I just ordered the hoodie. But we'll flip it around and I'll show you the back. So we're on the back now. Oh, I didn't notice that. It has essentials, Fear of God. That's been heat pressed on that sleeve. This side got one as well. No, plain on that one. Here's the hood, which says it's quite a thick hood as well actually. It's really nice material. And you have essentials, and I think that's been stitched on. Yeah, it has been stitched on to the top of the hood. But this is, it feels a real nice material actually. It really looks quite luxurious and thick. So it's definitely going to keep you warm. There's a lot of creasing from where it's been in the bag. Obviously, as I mentioned, they take these QC photos. So the item will come out of the bag, you get all the photos, and then they send it out, they put it back in the bag and then send it out. So it might be a bit more screwed up. If I can, what I'll do is I'll put down here somewhere what the photos are that you get for the QC ones. So you get a bit of an example then as to what they show you before it's shipped out, and you can then decide whether you like it or not. So if I've done it okay, photos will be showing around here somewhere right now. So I've done it a bit different because there's not really a lot to look at on the inside. So I'm going to show you the back of the inside first, so you can see the essentials tag and the size XL. You also get an Essentials Fear of God size XL, bit of card tag. Obviously we've got some Chinese writing on there as well, but that's a tag that you get on the inside. Showing this side first just because you had the tags on there. The other side is pretty plain in all honesty, but hopefully by just going in a bit closer on this you can see how woolly this sort of material is. Just gives you a good indication there of the thickness, but it is a really nice material. And I did fold the hood up actually just so it was kind of out of the way a little bit, but yeah, just wanted to show you the Essentials Fear of God tag. All looks legit. Obviously this is slightly off with that on there, but yeah, just wanted to give you that quick look. So this is usually the side I spend more on, but as I said, there's not a lot to kind of show you on this one. So to give you the quick flick around, there's a little bit of cotton there which will just come off, as you can see. But yeah, just wanted to give you the final look at the inside. Not a lot to show you, but had to show you anyway. So there you go, that is the inside. Okay, and there is our Essentials Fear of God hoodie from CNFans.com. All details for CNFans will be in the description of this video. As I mentioned at the start, I do have a referral link, so if you're not signed up for CNFans yet, please do use it. It does help me out because it gives me some additional credits that I can then use on their site, which enables me to continue buying items and reviewing them on this channel. There'll also be a spreadsheet, and that spreadsheet will link through some of the items that you can find. What I will say is these items links do change quite regularly when they're caught out or found. So if you click on one, it might not be active. Just try another one and then hopefully you'll get through to the products you are looking for. There's also other websites. You can just type in CNFans spreadsheet on Google and you'll be able to find other items. So I hope you have enjoyed this one. So it's a nice, really nice luxurious hoodie, this one. I'm really looking forward to wearing this one actually. And because of the weather in the UK, constantly cold and wet, I should be wearing it sooner rather than later. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. As I said, all the information for cnfans.com in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one.